Psalm 5, Morning Alignment. Give ear to my words, O Lord. Consider my meditation. Hearken unto the voice of my cry, my King and my God, for unto thee will I pray. My voice shalt thou hear in the morning, O Lord. In the morning will I direct my prayer unto thee, and will look up. For thou art not a God that hath pleasure in wickedness, neither shall evil dwell with thee. The foolish shall not stand in thy sight. Thou hatest all workers of iniquity. Thou shalt destroy them that speak lies. The Lord will abhor the bloody and deceitful man. But as for me, I will come into thy house in the multitude of thy mercy. And in thy fear will I worship toward thy holy temple. Lead me, O Lord, in thy righteousness. Because of mine enemies, make thy way straight before my face. For there is no faithfulness in their mouth. Their inward part is very wickedness. Their throat is an open sepulchre. They flatter with their tongue. Destroy thou them, O God, let them fall by their own counsels. Cast them out in the multitude of their transgressions, for they have rebelled against thee. But let all those that put their trust in thee rejoice. Let them ever shout for joy, because thou defendest them. Let them also that love thy name be joyful in thee. For thou, Lord, wilt bless the righteous. With favor wilt thou compass him as with a shield. Devotional meditation. Psalm 5 opens the gates of the day with holy intention and divine precision. This is not a vague morning prayer. It is a directional offering, a conscious alignment of voice and gaze toward the King. As dawn breaks, the psalmist lifts both petition and praise, trusting that the Lord will not only hear but respond. It is also a prayer for divine justice, contrasting the pure heart with the scheming tongue. In the Kingdom Age, this psalm serves as a call for discernment, that we may speak truth with clarity and rise in righteousness without fear. Morning is the hour when the angelic scribes record intentions, and this psalm consecrates the voice of the just as incense before the throne. Invocation of Activation. O light of the world, awaken my soul with righteousness. Let my voice rise like the morning dew, consecrated for your glory. Guard me from falsehood, establish my path in truth. With Gabriel and the angels of the dawn, I lift my eyes and speak your name with joy. Order this day in kingdom peace. Amen.